I welcome you all. Charak Uttarardha question papers. Let us start the topic. So here we are. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, and I think I should change my sharing of the screen. I will just excuse me. I will make the full screen so that it will be more comfortable for everybody to read on the big screen. So I will shift to the PowerPoint presentation right now. Okay. Yes, that's fine. So this is myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, and today is the 6th of May 2020, and I am presenting in front of you the Charak Uttarardha question papers. As everybody knows that Charaka Samhita is one of the important compendia of Ayurveda from Bruhatatri. Do you know Bruhatatri? What does it mean by Bruhatatri? Charaka, Sushrut, and Vagbhata, these are called as a Bruhatatri. Okay. So I request all of you, please close your videos. Okay. Fine. Thank you. So Charaka, Sushrut, and Vagbhat, these are called as a Bruhatatri. And then what you know, Yoga Ratnakar, Madhav Nidan, these are called as the Lagutri. Okay. So Bruhatri and Lagutri, these are the three important samhitas on a large scale, content wise, that is a Bruhat, and content wise, that is little bit less. Charakastu Chikitsite. So although Charaka Uttarardha is a subject of third year BMS and Charaka Purvardha is a subject of second year BMS, these both Charak Purvardha and Charak Uttarardha, they have some connections with your Sharirikriya subject. It has some connection with Ashtanga Hridaya subject. That means these topics you might have been heard, some of these topics or the concepts you might have been heard in the Sharirikriya or Ashtanga Hridaya, and Purvardha and Uttarardha, they are also connected with each other. But most important part, although you are studying Charak Purvardha in second year BMS, Charak Uttarardha in third year BMS, Charak is such a vital, important samhita because it has a basic management principle of Ayurveda. Charakastu Chikitsite. So it will be helpful for last year for the subject of Kaya Chikitsa as well as subject of the Panchakarma especially. And throughout your practice, you will use important principles from Charaka Samhita. So myself is Professor Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. So this is my general contact numbers. Anybody can contact me on this mail ID, professordeshpande@gmail.com, for the personal online health consultations or lifestyle counseling based on Ayurvedic Prakriti as well as the palmistry. Yes, I do the palmistry as well. Personal or online classes of medicine and any topics from Ayurveda. And I always request, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to share our experiences with each other. This is my appeal to the government, that is CCIM and Ayush, that these people should make it compulsory to all the universities of the India that immediately after completing the theory examination, within the period of 1 month, these universities, it may be the MUHS, it may be the Jamnagar, it may be the BHU, it may be the Rajiv Gandhi University, so Kerala University, Goa University. So all these universities should have upload these all the question papers on their own websites so that each and every student of Ayurveda can get a huge database of the question bank. And personally, I feel to study any subject of Ayurveda, two things are important. One is syllabus, what we call it as a advanced teaching program, ATP. And second, your target. What is your target? To succeed in an exam and then succeed in the practice. To succeed in the examination, you must have the review of the past question papers. For this particular PPT, I am very, very much thankful to Professor Dr. Yogita Jamdade Madam from Ayurveda College Nigri Pradhikaran. She is the HOD of Sanskrit Samhita Department. She is MD from Jamnagar, and she is the person who has given the input as giving you the key of the answers. She has quoted where is you can find the answer of each question from these each paper. So from my side, from your side, from Ayurvedic fraternity, from Ayurvedic science, I am always obliged to Dr. Mrs. Yogita Jamdare madam. She and me has done many together joint ventures regarding the academics and the clinical orientations. This PPT is based on only MUHS question papers, that is Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, Nashik. Nashik is the head office, and it includes 2016 summer and winter papers, 2015 summer and winter, 2017 summer and winter, and 2018 only summer paper is there. Total 7 number of papers are there. Winter 2016. So this is the first question, SAQ of 3 marks. Types and importance of Rasayana. Actually, the Chikitsasthan begins with this Rasayan. This Rasayan aspect is very much what you can say the on demand in this corona pandemic. Everybody from India, nook and corner of the India, even from the whole world, global scientists and people are interested to know Ayurvedic philosophy regarding Rasayana Chikitsa to develop immunity in general and to be very specific of respiratory system, especially about the lungs. Everybody is searching what is the best Rasayan mentioned in Ayurveda. So when upcoming examination, that examiners will definitely stress on this particular chapter, Rasayan chapter, and he will ask so many questions regarding the COVID-19, coronavirus, Ayurvedic immunity, Ayurvedic understanding, dosha dhatu mala, etc., etc. Next question, synonyms and yoga of Jimutak. Jimutak. अष्ट महादोष कर भाव, त्रिविध शुद्धि लक्षण, हेतु and samprapti of Shvayathu. Shvayathu is a shoth, edema all over the body. So what is the hetu means causes and samprapti means pathogenesis. Lakshan and of Sam and Niram Jwar. Can you see here? Jwar. Jwara is a fever. So in this coronavirus also the most important everywhere you will get checked about digital thermometer is there and the person is checked for is the body temperature because they say in addition to the cough there is always fever in this corona infection. Then winter 2016 SAQ of 5 marks, hetu of Shukra Dushti and its treatment according to the doshas, Vataja Dushti, Pittaja Dushti, etc. Treatment of Kamala, infective hepatitis, and Halimat, hemolytic jaundice, Charak Chikitsastan. Yogas like the Draksha Grita, Hridradi Grita are described in this Kamala disease. Synonyms and yogas of Tilvak, okay, Charak Kalpasthan. Kalpasthan, they have given the 5 emetics and 5 purgatives. So one of the Tilvak is there. Trividha Yoga Lakshana and treatment of Shiro Virechana. Treatment of Shiro Virechana. Treatment of Baddha Budodara. It is surgical abdomen, surgical, it's obstruction, Baddha Budodara, and Jalodara can be comparable with ascites, fluid in the peritoneal cavity. So Jalodara is in your practice will be very important disease because only peritoneal tapping is the answer to the modern science. But in Ayurveda, there can be, you can prolong the relapse. That fluid accumulation can be prolonged with the Ayurvedic management. Ayurveda always advised to put the patient of ascites on Dugdha Ahara, that is milk diet. Nearly 6 months, the patient is kept on the Dugdha Ahara and repeated Virechan Chikitsa is given for this Jalodara. Then next, Hetu, Lakshan and Samprapti of Atatvabhinivesh. Atatvabhinivesh. This is something psychological problems. Various Sarpi Good Yoga. Sarpi means Grita. Sarpi, Grita and Jaggery mixtures. So what are the different formulae? They are explained in Charak Samhita Chikitsastham. Synonyms and yogas of Tilvak. Repeated Tilvak has been asked from the Kalpasthana. Trividha Yoga Lakshana. I think I have gone back. I'm sorry. I will go for the side. Sorry. This is next is a Grahani disease. For the long answer question LAQ, there will be always one disease will be asked. So naturally, Charak Chikitsastan has a description of Grahani, and that too, Grahani is comparable with the sciatica. Sciatic nerve has an inflammation. Nidana Panchak and treatment. Nidana Panchak, you know very well. Nidana, Pururupa, Rupa, Upashaya, and Samprapti. Nidan, Pururup, Rup, Upashaya, and Samprapti. Five things are called as a Nidana Panchak. The five things important for the diagnosis of a disease. Nidana is a Hetu, causes, Pururupa, prodromal symptoms, Rupa, clinical features, Nidana, Purvarup, Rup, Upashaya, and Samprapti. Therapeutic effect, Upashaya and Anupashaya. Then Sanshodhana Vyapad. Vyapad means complications. What are the complications of Vamana, Virechana, or any Shodhana? Especially regarding Vamana and Virechana, there may be the problem of dehydration. Okay. Synonyms and properties, yoga of Trivruta. Trivruta is very commonly used. Trivruta is a Nishottar. So this is a good laxative. It's very good to get the Virechana. Then next disease is a Rakta Pitta, all the bleeding disorders, Hetu, types, Sadhya Sadhyatva, that is a prognosis and treatment. The answer is Charak Chikitsastan, chapter number 4. There is a mention of Rakta Pitta Chikitsa. And especially in Rakta Pitta, don't forget in your practice to use the Vasa Grita, Adhatoda Vasika. Vasa is a plant which is having the best styptic action. It helps for the blood clotting. So this is very good for all the bleeding disorders using the Vasa Gruta. Vasa is a herb, Vada, Adhatoda Vasica, and the ghee is prepared, medicated ghee. Next is a blank slide, don't get confused. Summer 2016, next set of the papers. Treatment of Hrudya or Hridaya Marmaghat is like cardiac arrest or cardiac shock. So what can be the treatment for Hridaya? Because Hridaya is a vital marma. Marma means vital organ of your body, vital point of your body where the trauma has happened, the disease is severe, then that condition can be fatal. That's why it is called as Sadhya Pranhara Marma. Okay. Then Sudha Kalpa Yoga. Again, Kalpasthan is there. Kalpasthan is very important. Treatment about Chardi. Chardi means vomiting. Okay. Benefits of Rasayana Sevan. Rasayana Yat Jara Vyadhi Nashanam. Jara Vyadhi Nashanam. Jara means old age and Vyadhi means disease. So Rasayana or the tonics are used as an immune booster and it is like anti-aging. It will delay in degeneration, delay in the aging process. Next, Kushtha Nashaka Lep. Some herbs are mixed in the water and they are applied externally for any skin diseases. The Charak has mentioned in Charak Chikitsastan, chapter number 7, Kushtha Nashaka Lep. Treatment of Kshayaja Kasa. Kshayaja Kasa. Charak Chikitsastan, chapter number 18. Then treatment of Urustambha. Treatment of Urustambha. Netra Basti Vyapat. Whatever you do, the Netra Basti. Basti is always a treatment for Vata dosha. Especially many times we are using nationally and internationally. I am running the center in Port Service, Spain since last 20 years. We always do this Netra Basti treatment. Basti word here is not bladder. Basti is the treatment for Vata dosha. So especially I remember asthenopia, computer eye syndrome, when your eyes are dry by repeated using of your mobiles and TVs and computers, your eyes become dry and painful and itching is there. So medicated ghee, especially Triphala Grita, is very good for Netra Basti. But there is some SOP, standard operating procedure. If you don't follow it, that gives the Vyapada, that means complication. Vyapada means complications. Ashta Maha Doshahara Bhav, that has already been previously asked, so no reference has been given. Preparation procedure of Sarpi Guda and Sarpi Modak. Charak Chikitsastan, chapter 11. Then Vatsaka Kalpa. Charak Kalpasthan. Treatment of Vataja and Pittaja Gulma. Gulma is like a tumor. Okay. Then Mother. Mother is like alcoholic intoxication. When the patient drinks a lot of alcohol, so mother is being formed avastha and diseases due to madhyapana, excessive consumption of different types of wines. It may be medicated wines or it's toxic wines. When the person consumes that wines, what will happen with that patient? LAQ from summer 2016, that is Yakshma Vyadhi. Yakshma is like a Raj Yakshma, comparable with the tuberculosis, Cox disease. Hetu, causes, Samprapti, Lakshana, and treatment. My dear friends, you may be surprised, sir, why we are reading all these things. We want answers. Yes, key is there. Now your duty, your homework is that you have to open that charak, Chikitsasthan, Kalpasthan, Siddhistan, find out those shlokas and chapter number and write it down for yourself. But by hearing also these all the questions or making a short notes in very short, for example, Yakshma Vyadhi, important. Okay, Raja Yakshma, Dashavidabha, Kalpasthan. So these many times hearing also makes your knowledge or confidence level a little bit high. That's why we are reading all the. Otherwise, I can just put the PPT on the internet and that's it. But reading also makes sometimes more confidence in the students. So Sanshodhana Vyapak. Repeatedly we are using Sanshodhana is a panchakarma. Shodhana means purification. What is the benefit of Sanshodhana versus Shamana? Shamana is a palliative treatment. When dosha prakop is there, utkatavastha is there, and dosha prakupita is uncontrollable with your shaman chikitsa, then naturally we have to use the Shodhana chikitsa. But that is little bit invasive technique. Try to understand. Little bit traumatic treatment to your gastric mucosa, to your intestinal mucosa. That's why it should have followed Vamana, Virechana, Basti, Raktamoksha, Nasya. These procedures should be followed by expert and experienced and intelligent Vaidyas with SOP, write down, standard operating procedure. If, for example, you don't have the proper material, Vaidya is not clever, Vaidya is not experienced, patient is not cooperating, Chatushpad, remember. If Chatushpad, any of the pad, Vaidya, Aushadha, Paricharak, and Rugna, Vaidya, Aushad, Paricharak, if anybody is damaged, then Vyapada comes or complications arises. This is passing remarks I am making for each question. Passing remarks are also interesting. Prayojana of Kalpasthan. Why the chapter has been written? To just give you the database, huge knowledge about the herbs which can be used for Panchakara. That is the provision of Kalpasthan. Kalpa is a formulary, is pharmacopoeia of Charak Samhita. Shama, Trivrut, Kalpa Yoga. Kalpa Yoga means different formulations. Udara Vyadhi, repeatedly asked, ascites, Udara Vyadhi. Nidan, Hetu, causes, Samprapti, pathogenesis, types, Lakshanas, clinical features, and a treatment. Blank slide. Winter 2015. Rasayan. Many times Rasayan topic has been asked. Types and importance of Rasayan. Then Navayasa Churna. Navayasa Churna, very interesting formula for anemic patient. It is available in the market. Tapyadi Lohavati or Navayasa Churna can be used for hemoglobin less than 10 gram percent. It is mentioned in Charakchitthasthan. Tikshna Virechak Dravya, Jayapal, Ashwakanchuki, Ichhavedi, Naracharasam. These three tablets are very strong purgatives. Winter 2015, Vatsaka, synonyms, collection, number of kalpas of Vatsaka in Charak Kalpasthan. Then Takrarishta, very interesting. Takrarishta is available also in the market, buttermilk. That is used for Grahani Chikitsa. Remember, Charak Chikitsasthan 15 chapter is a Grahani, very important chapter. All the physiology of digestion is mentioned in Charak Chikitsasthan here. Raktaj Gulma treatment, Charak Chikitsasthan chapter 5. Winter 2015 SAQ, Aushadha Dravya Sangraha Vidhi. How the that particular fruits and roots are collected, which time it is collected, which is better to collect, what is the best time, best season, that is explained. Madana Phala, number one Vamaka Dravya. Madana Phala Pippali, seeds we are using. We are using the Vamaka Dravya as Madana Phala, Vacha and Jeshtha. Okay. Then Dhatu Gata Jvara, Rasa Gata Jvara, Rakta Gata Jvara. So Jvara is hampering your different organs or the different dhatus. Okay. Explain Sadhya Kapotha Dasha. Okay. Charak Chikitsa Sthan, chapter number 6. Next, Vamana Samyak Hina Atiyoga Lakshana. Lakshana is a clinical feature. Samyak means proper Vaman is there. Hina means less what than expectation. Ati means excessive. Snehana Yogya Purusha. Yogya, to whom I should give the ghee. That is indications and contraindication. Importance of Snehana. Sneha, ghee is very important in any chronic illnesses. Remember my words. Medicated ghee is the best treatment for any chronic illnesses. It may be cancer, HIV, jwara, whatever it may be. Shiroroga, types and symptoms, head problems. Raktapitta, frequently asked topic. Raktapitta, hetu, types, pururupa, rupa, samprapti. Sadhya, sadhyatva means prognosis, treatment. Shwasa, breathlessness. Tamaka Shwasa, bronchial asthma. But Shwasa in general is any type of dyspnea, difficulty in breathing. Hetu, types, Maha, Urdhva, Chinna, Tamaka, etc. Pururupa, Rupa, Samprapti, pathogenesis. Sadhya, Sadhyatva, prognosis and treatment management. Describe Avarana Prakaran. This is very important topic. Avarana. Many students, many teachers, it feels confusing. Oh my God, difficult topic. No. You personally, I feel Avarana treatment should be understood on the category of Margavarodhajanya Vata Prakop. Vata Gati is obstructed because of some type of obstruction. Vata Prakop is because of two things. Dhatukshejanya, write down. Dhatukshejanya and Margavarodhajanya. So Avarana is basically Margavarodhajanya type of the Vata Prakop. Okay. Then Niruha Basti, medicated enema. Yogya and Ayogya Purusha, to whom I should give indication and contraindication. Niruha Basti Vyapad. Okay. Here in Vata Vyadhi Chikitsa Adhyay, this Avaran Prakaran, chapter number 28, Charak Chikitsa Sthan. Blank slide, summer 2015. Types of Vrana. In Charak, some surgical part is also mentioned. Then Apatyakara Swaras. Apatya means progeny. Those patients having infertility, they should refer this chapter. Apatyakara Swaras, herbal juice, Charak Chikitsa Sthan. Danti Haritaki. Danti Haritaki, good for laxative. Prameha, like diabetes mellitus. Sadhya Sadhyatva. Kafaja Prameha is a Sadhya. Vataja Madhumeha is Yapya. Okay. Vataja Kasa, dry cough. Vataja Kasa, you remember, because Corona, COVID-19, they give the Vataja Kasa. Chikitsa. So you must read this chapter very carefully for Corona. Okay. Charak Chikitsa Sthan, chapter 18. Karma Basti. Karma Basti, Kala Basti, Yoga Basti. These are the different types of medicated enema. Bhallatak Rasayan, only for Kapha people. Bhallatak is very Ushna and Tikshna, not for Pitta people, not in the Grishma Rutu. Remember, Rajyakshma Vyadhi can be compared with the tuberculosis types according to the Hetu. Then Panchagavya Ghrita. Panchagavya Ghrita, very, very offensive odor is there because it contains dung, urine, milk. Panchagavya, products from the cow, COW. Ghrita means medicated ghee. Okay. Sneha Basti Vyapad. Vyapad means complications. Gulma. Sneha means Anuvasana Basti. Gulma Samprapti. Gulma is like a tumor. Jimutaka, synonyms and prayojya. Shotha, like edema. Samanya Chikitsa. Raktapitta, once again, types Nidan, Samprapti and Chikitsa. Rasayan and Vajikaran Chikitsa, importance in Ayurveda. Vajikar is like a sex tonic, aphrodisiac. This is different and this is different. Rasayan can be given from the 1 year child to the end of your life. But Vajikaran treatment should be given in the fertile period only. This is the main difference. Importance of Kalpasthana in Ayurveda Chikitsa, Danti and Dravanti Kalpa in detail. Explain Vamana Virechana Vyapad Siddhi Adhyay. All complications are mentioned in Charaka Samhita Siddhisthan. Siddhisthan is for Pancha Karma Vyapad. Remember. Blank slide, summer 2017. Sitopaladi Churna. Very interesting. Write down. You must bring it immediately after lockdown or give order on the what you can say on internet. Sitopaladi Churna number 8 powder for any type of the cast, but specifically it is important for Pittaja cast. When there is a dry cough and sore throat, burning is there. Sitopaladi Churna is also rasayan, so it can be taken for longer time. Sitopala means khadi sakhar in Marathi, sugar candy, but very, very popular as an anti-cough medicine in Ayurveda. खोकल्यासाठीचं उत्तम औषध सीतोपलादी चूर्ण. Tablet is also available. Kas samprapti. Kas means cough. Then what is that? Dvishtarthaja sanyogaj chardi. Chardi means vomiting. Dvishtarthaja. When you see a very obnoxious things, dirty things, and you get the vomiting, that is called as Dvishtarthaja sanyogaja vyadhi, a chardi. Importance of Shodhana in Kushta. Ayurveda says few diseases are there where you can give the repeated Panchakarma. Repeated Panchakarma are expected. Pichha Basti, I have used it very nice. Number 1, Pichha Basti. Write down. From Shalmali Niryas. Shalmali is the name of plant. Mocha Rasa. Mocha Rasa Pichha Basti is best in ulcerative colitis. Write down. Ulcerative colitis, Mocha Rasa Pichha Basti. Don't forget it. Danti, synonyms and application in diseases. Chikitsa Kalpasthan. Kalpa in Pandu Adi Vyadhi. Different diseases, they require the village in Chikitsa. Basti, Data, and Pranetru Dosha. So there are some problems, complications, unwanted things while giving the Basti. If the Basti giver, therapist, is not confident enough, his hands are shaking, then that is not good. Basti Data, therapist, is not proper. Snuhi, Sangraha Vidhi. Sangraha means collection. How to collect Snuhi. Vatajakas, Corona, COVID-19. Mutra Krichra, burning micturition types. Procedure of collection of the medicinal plants, Aushadhi Dravya Sangraha Vidhi. Then Achara Rasayan. Achara Rasayan is ethical code of conduct. Always speak truth. Be honest. It is called as the Achara Rasayan. Your mind should be very clear, pure. What is Vrishya? Vrishya Mausarasa. Vrishya means aphrodisiac, increasing your sexual power. Vrishya. Or giving the solution for infertility. Grahani Chikitsa, very popular. Grahani is like the enteritis, inflammation to the Grahani part. Okay. Muhur Baddham Muhur Dravam. This is specific feature of the Grahani Vyadhi. Vata Rakta treatment. Vata Rakta, some people compare it with the rheumatoid arthritis, some people compare it with the gout disease. It's a type of the arthritis. Vata Rakta. Niruha Basti Vyapad. Vyapad means complication. Prayojana of Kalpasthana explain Vamana Vidhi in detail. Okay, Vamana Vidhi. Next, winter 2017 explain Sutra. Purisham Samraksha Vishesha Rajakshminaha. In Rajakshma disease, there is importance that the patient should not lose his strength and power because of the loose motion. So Purisha, because Vayu Agni Dharana is a function of Purish, metabolic process. So in Rajakshma patient, you should concentrate what is the nature of Purish. Bhagandar, fistula in ano. Bhagandar, fistula in ano, best treatment in Ayurveda, Kshara Sutra, remember. Chaturangula is a plant in Kalpasthan, synonyms and Kalpa Sankhya. Vajikaran, sex tonic, aphrodisiac. Nirukti, Paribhasha, importance. Charak Chikitsa Sthan. Anupadesh, different types of desh. Jangal desh, Anupadesh, Sadharana desh, you know that. Peculiarities. Basti Netra Vyapad. Whatever we are using as a instrument of giving the Basti, Basti Netra. What can be the problem with that? Next, Vardhaman Pippali Rasayan. My dear friends, I have used a lot Vardhaman Pippali Rasayan. If we complete in time, then I can explain what is Vardhaman Pippali. Vardhaman Pippali Rasayan, right now, it is the best tonic, best Rasayan to improve the immunity of lung. To improve the immunity of lung, never forget to give Vardhaman Pippali Rasayan. Okay? Kamala, symptoms and treatment. Kamala is a jaundice, infective hepatitis. Yoni Vyapad, all gynecological problems, maybe menorrhagia, amenorrhea, can be considered under this chapter, Yoni Vyapad, Charak Chikitsasana, last chapter, chapter number 30. Sansarjana Krama, as you know, the post Panchakarma dietary advice is called as the Sansarjana Krama and its importance. Madanaphala, number one, Vamaka Dravya, synonyms and Yoga. Yoga means different formulae. Uttarabasti, definition and importance. Some gynecological problems, some gents problems can be treated by giving the oil through the urethra. Through the urethra, remember, we have to give the Basti Dravya, like for example, I remember Ksharatil is given sometimes for the blockage of the tubes. In infertility cases, sometimes Phalagrita is also used as a Uttarabasti medicine. Okay. Importance of Kalpasthan, here you can see. Again, the same question. Prameha, very popular disease. Nidana Panchak, Nidan Pururup Pashay Samprapti, Chikitsa, diet management. How you can control the anti-diabetic diet. Sutra, Agni Dosham, Manushanam, Roga Sangraha, Prithvidha, Mala Vruddhya, Pravartanam Vishesham, Udarani tu, Jalodar. Here they are important giving the management principle in the shloka regarding the ascites, Jalodar. Nidana Panchak and treatment is expected. Kas, repeatedly asked questions. Kas, cough, Hetu, Samprapti types and treatment. Vamana and Virechana Vyapad. Vyapad means complication. Most complication, important complication of Vamana and Virechana is, write down, dehydration. Because in both the cases, excessive water can come out after kapha, pitta, vata, and excessive Vaman, excessive Virechana can definitely cause the dehydration. Remember. Next is the blank slide, summer 2018, Achara Rasayan. I think I have explained regarding your mental setup, Achara Rasayan. Your mind should be very pure and clean, that is Achara Rasayan. Collection of Madana Phala, Trivrut Leha is available, jam. In the morning, it's for Virechana. Synonyms means Paryai and Yoga means formulary. Basti, Netra, Dosh. The same questions are asked repeatedly. Jvara, most important disease in this corona COVID-19, Jvara. Digital thermometer costing near about 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. Remember, Pratyatma Linga. Jvarayati Santapayati Sharirani Manas Sharirani iti Jvara, which irritates your physical and mental setup, that is called as a Jvara. Santapayati Manas Sharirani. Santapayati means irritation, is inflammation is there. Apathyakara, extremely sorry. Apathyakara Dhruta. The same question previously asked. Apatya means progeny. It is the medicated ghee in the patients of infertility that we have used in the infertility. Sadatura, who is the patient, who is the person who can be always ill? Halimak treatment, hemolytic type of jaundice. Kshayaj and Kshataj Kas, symptoms and treatment. Dantya and Dravanti Sangraha. Medhya Rasayan. I remember Brahmi Ghrita is number one. Brahmi Ghrita. Remember, write down. Medhya, which improve your cognitive power, intelligence, IQ. IQ has to be increased by using the Brahmi Ghrita, especially Purana Brahmi Ghrita. Bal Roga Chikitsa Siddhanta Charak Chikitsa Sthan. Udavarta, Swarupa. Then Sutra. Siddhanam, Bastinam, Shastanam, Teshu Teshu, Rogeshu. Specific bastis are used in specific diseases. Atisar Chikitsa, loose motion. What is the management? Okay. Grahani, that is सामान्य उपक्रम, अवस्थिक चिकित्सा and treatment according to dosha. Udara chikitsa, again the ascites. I have already mentioned, Udara patient is very well treated by Ayurvedic Vaidyas. They can prolong the peritoneal tapping, because modern science only they remove the ascitic fluid when there is severe breathlessness. Okay, I think this is nearly about our title. Only last 2 minutes are there. So how to study? You also remember the names of the chapters. So Charaka Uttarardha is consist of Chikitsasthan, Kalpasthan, Siddhisthan. Okay. Abhaya Amalaki Rasayanapad, Pranakamiya Rasayanapad, Karaprachitiya Rasayanapad, Ayurveda Samuthaniya Rasayanapad. These are all related with Rasayan. Only last few minutes are left. Then Chikitsasthan. Again, next chapters are, what is that? Sanyoga Sharamuliya Vajikaranapad, Asiktakshiriya Vajikaranapad, Masha Parnabhruti. Mash is a Udid, black gram. Parnabhrutiya Vajikaranapad, Puman Jata Baladiko Vajikaranapad. ज्वर चिकित्सा, रक्तपित्त चिकित्सा, गुलम चिकित्सा, प्रमेह चिकित्सा, कुष्ठ चिकित्सा, राजेक्ष्मा चिकित्सा, उन्माद चिकित्सा. You must remember all these names. अपस्मार चिकित्सा, क्षतज क्षीण चिकित्सा, क्षयथु इडिमा, उदर चिकित्सा, अर्श चिकित्सा, ग्रहणी चिकित्सा, पांडु चिकित्सा, हिक्काश्वास चिकित्सा, कास चिकित्सा, अतिसार चिकित्सा, छर्दी, विसर्प, तृष्णा, विष, मदात्यय, द्विव्रणीय, त्रिमर्मीय, पुरुस्तंभ, वात व्याधि, वात शोणित and yoni vyapat. Madana kalpa, jimutak kalpa, this is kalpasthan. Ikshvaku kalpa, dhamargava kalpa, vatsaka kalpa, krutavedana kalpa. Shama turut kalpa, chaturangula kalpa, tilvak kalpa, sudha kalpa, saptala shankhini kalpa, danti dravanti kalpa. कल्पना सिद्धि, पंचांग कर्मणीय सिद्धि, बस्ती सूत्रीय सिद्धि, स्नेह व्यापादी की सिद्धि, नेत्र बस्ती व्यापादी की सिद्धि, वमन विरेचन व्यापादी की सिद्धि, बस्ती व्यापद सिद्धि, प्रसृत योगी का सिद्धि, त्रिमर्मीय सिद्धि, बस्ती सिद्धि, फल मात्रा सिद्धि, and उत्तर बस्ती सिद्धि. My dear friends, this is all about our today's program. I wish you all